story, guys. We are going to Turkey. We're going to Turkey, guys, and I have started my packing. Actually, from this day that I'm filming this vlog, I have I just have 2 days and I haven't packed my bags, guys. I haven't packed anything. I did the initial packing anyways, but along the line, my friend showed me this ad that had this box displayed, and guys, for those of you that are into bags and boxes, you probably know that this is a very expensive box. If you're buying it like a new box and you're buying it online or wherever, I think it's about £200. But guys, I got this for £25. Honestly, it's a great deal, very great deal. My lovely friend picked it up for me and I got it yesterday, so I am converting to using this bag to travel, guys. So I will be transferring the stuff I had in my other bag into this one and we'll see how it goes. There are a lot of things to pack because I don't have home training when I'm packing stuff. Trust me, I lose my home training. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be packing and I'll show you bits and pieces of the packing so the video is not long, because this is going to be a whole content, guys. A whole content. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, you can see I have this bag here. This is where I packed all my stuff. Not all, I still have things to put in anyways. Now I'll be transferring them to this bag and I'll see how that goes. But this is like a trial because somehow I'm led to believe that this bag might have more space, occupying space, than this one. Guys, there's this stuff I got from AliExpress. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So you see these bags, they help you keep your stuffs organized inside your main box. That was how I did my whole packing. I don't know if you guys can see. This is how I did my packing. So all my clothes are in here. Oh, I feel so pained. I just stole this. I just pulled it. But I mean, this is how it is. Like toiletries. Here I've got my bikini, my nighties, you know, because guys, going to be fun guys. I intend to have a lot of fun. I have been so stressed. I took a socks, another socks. Okay guys, I like to be very prepared. I don't even know what I'm going to use the socks for, but I feel like I will need it, so why not? And I got a pair of sandals here. Can go in here. It's got an extra layer in it. Awesome bag. Very wonderful investment. And I've got my little steamer because a girl has to iron her clothes. So I'm just going to put that here as well. So small and so portable. I got all these things from AliExpress actually. This bag from AliExpress. The steamer from AliExpress. And I'm an old soul. I like to use camphor. No particular reason, okay? Just like to put them in my bag. This is the jug that comes with the steamer. So you're supposed to use this to pour water into that small steaming iron that I showed you guys. I'm going to keep that here as well. My heels, I think it's filled already. And I haven't even put as much stuff as I want to. Got my slippers here as well. And let me just say that I'm not so great at packing, honestly. I'm a terrible packer. Got my sunshades, guys. Sunshades are everything. And this as well. So to avoid traveling, and probably there's just one socket in the room, you know, and you don't want to bother yourself or have to wait in line for someone's phone to get filled up before you charge yours. I decided to get this. So this can literally charge my iWatch. This goes in here for the iWatch. Here is for my AirPods, and here you have a phone port where you can plug your phone into, and here just like a Type-C mount as well. It's something similar. I'm not sure what this one is for, but I bought this. It's going to come in handy. So all you need is just one socket to put it in, and you can power so many things on this. So it's really awesome. Yeah, I got it from Shein. I got my toiletries. I've got my sponge, but I just remembered my friend told me that you can't travel with any liquid that is more than 100 mils, that they're going to seize it. I've got a shower gel. I'd have to look for a small bottle to transfer it into because I mean it's so big. Your girl is planning to go and have a big bag. Please, I can't. Just can't. So this is what I just wanted to show you guys. This is like my initial packing. I still have a lot of things to put in. I don't have my perfumes. I don't have a couple of other things because I'm still like using them. I'd have to pack between now and Saturday, and I've also got night shifts as well. Oh my god, guys, I don't even mind because as I'm ending my night shift on Saturday into Sunday, coming back is just take my bags and go to the airport. So that's it, guys. I just closed this place. Now I still have so many things to put in there. Not as bad as I thought. So this bag, literally just got it yesterday, and it wasn't even 5 minutes after I got the bag. I locked the bag. Like I locked it because it has this key lock. I locked the bag. I didn't know what I was doing. I was so pained, and I went to YouTube after some time. After trying and trying, nothing was working. I went to YouTube and I started looking for videos on how to unlock bag. Guys, YouTube is just the best. I found my answer. It unlocked the bag that I thought I had spoiled. So it's a very awesome bag. It's a very safe bag as well because all you have to do is just use the locks. I don't know if you guys can see. It has locks here. You're good to go. As there are lots of things planned for this journey. I know some people will say she's traveling and she didn't even make her hair or even do her nails. Guys, let's not be in a haste. We'll pack first and then from there we'll decide on other things. Honestly guys, I'm really looking forward to doing this and I will carry you guys along as much as I can. Okay, and even if I can't post while I'm in Turkey, I will make a compilation of the videos and I will put for you guys so you guys can see where I went to, how I spent my time and all sorts. Hey guys, I know I look like crap, but just don't worry about it. So I came back from night duty. I have not rested. I'm traveling tomorrow to Turkey and I've been doing series of night shifts. So today is going to be the third one and coming back tomorrow, I'm going to the airport straight up. So I decided to start doing this hair. This is crochet, as you guys can see. I'm not done. I still have little bits and pieces to put in and little gaps to fill. I don't know how it's looking. I know I look like shit now. I haven't slept. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do tonight's shift. But guys, we move. Like we literally move. I mean, by this time tomorrow, okay, I won't be in Turkey, but I'll be en route. So see, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working with. When I'm done with the full hair, I'll take pictures and I'll let you guys see. See you guys soon.
Solo me invita y voy.
This place is quite big. I just passed every time. I literally don't really look into this place. I just passed from Poundland. Guys, I just got back from work and you know what time it is? It's time for the airport. Going to shower and dress up. Guys, I'm just trying to make my nails. I know it's poor quality that I'm using right now. We're just running late and we need to get this whole thing done and get to the airport. So doing it as it comes, really. So I had another option of nails which I'll show you guys later, but I decided to go with this one because I feel like they are shorter and they're just way better for me. I got them from the store yesterday as well. I'm not really going to do this well, guys, because I'm in so much haste. So it's quite simple. You just put your glue and press it on until it stays. Guys, we're going to the airport.
On the way to the airport, go. Subscribe. For more hot content.
We're going to the airport. Subscribe.
On the way to the airport.
Any avenue just
Skin glow. See the skin is glowing. Say it.
Ay, qué rico, mamita. Ay, qué rico, dame todo amor. Ay, qué rico, mamita. Ay, qué rico, dame todo amor. kanga na yo, chérie, big love, baby. Aux autres salangona encore, oyebi, bien qu'en amour je suis faible.
With your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. Be careful while thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.
Açmamıştık. Lütfen kemeri gaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar yerinize.
Usana mukele dikyal, tokodo doakyal, sokoti kinga magal, oh oh, je tombe. Close up, shiwi nanga eba fosez, oh, nana yo kalilo, oh no no, usana baby boo, oh 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 oh, close up, shiwi nanga eba chik close up, nana yo kalilo, oh no no, usana baby boo. Tu sais très bien que dès ma conchola, c'est le remix colossa, version miel, tu connais déjà. Tellement de miel je vais appliquer sur toi, Ike. Viens plus près, babe. Dis-moi que t'aimes, I wanna what I eat. C'est le japonais, tu vas comprendre. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, be mine. Emmène-moi, bébé, je veux fly. Là-bas, là où le ciel est bleu. Ce que je veux, ce n'est pas sorcier. Emmène-moi bébé, je fly. Là-bas là où le ciel est bleu. Ce que je veux, ce n'est pas sorcier. Bébé, pour toi rien n'est impossible. Je veux que tu saches que je suis pas comme tes ex. T'es tellement belle, on dirait que t'es née hier. Oublie tes soucis, viens plus près de moi, babe. Combien de fois j'essaie de nous, babe. Combien de fois j'ai porté la croix, babe. Combien de fois j'essaie de nous, babe.
Just got into the hotel. No, are you going to sleep?
Hello, girls.
Should be ninth floor.
Curtain continue. Door closing.
Guys, we are here.
Oh, go.
Jesus Christ. And hey, it's doing Instagram. What's going on? I'm gonna try to open. Jesus, open. Yes. Hello. Guys, we are trapped. It's not moving. What's happening?
Do you remember as from this and it didn't move until
Guys, we are going higher. Yes, we are.
Not so.
Hey, we're going higher today.
Hallelujah.
We're going above the shadow.
Into the presence of God. Hallelujah. Going off key.
Go what? Where are we going? Jesus, we are not at the ninth floor.
It's 9th floor now.
Oh.
Hey, baby girl. 906.
Yeah.
We're here, guys.
Guys, we have just gotten to the hotel and I must say it's not bad, but it's not really what we expected it to be. Like, it looks more classy and more touche from the pictures and the videos and stuff, like. But then coming here, it looks just like the basic hotel that we all know about. So, I mean, I don't know what the fuss and the hype was all about, and it was quite expensive. But, I mean, we're here finally, and we're 2 hours ahead of UK's time. So, it's quite dark here already, and I'm terribly exhausted. First thing I just want to do now is just have a very wonderful shower. Actually, I'm taking this video in the bathroom. I'm just going to show you around. So nothing special. And I was wondering, why do they have a phone in the toilet? And my friend said it's in case you have like an emergency. That's the toilet, and you've got the sink with a big mirror. And this mirror is actually scary. It zooms into your face, like really zooms into your face. And you've got here, we asked for a bathtub, guys. I'm not even happy. Asked for a bathtub, but no, they didn't give us a bathtub. They gave us just a shower. So yeah, that's what we're stuck with. I wanted a bathtub and shower gels. And then when you come into the room, and the fact that you've got a dryer here as well, because girl is about to get soaked into water. Yeah, you've got the fridge in here. There's a fridge in here, and if you are all these businessmen that come with money, have a safe there as well. The wardrobe Disposable slippers, and I don't know what that is. I would think they would put an iron in here, but there's no iron. That's the wardrobe, and then you come into the room. I told my friend that this place is supposed to be for couples because the lighting is weird. They have what I call ashawo bulbs. So there's no main lights in this center area, or the bedside lamps over there, the other one over there, one here as well, and then you just got the main lights around here. Just be ready because we're gonna take you around this space, okay? Oh. No, it's not my phone.
You don't rock, you don't try. You supposed to be jai. Kilo chemical pesi metal.
What we're having? Chicken tandoori.
Why you not spreading the picture? Don't you eating chicken tandoori? I'm not sure if why I know. Hello guys. Welcome back to Everything with my Standard channel.
Yes, you're welcome.
Here we talk about vacation.
You know, I've been telling them that I was going to give them travel content.
Soft life.
You know, but I haven't given them travel content. This is like the first travel content ever.
Let's sharing. What's what?
The ketchup tastes different. I don't know. I think they're tandoori.
I don't know.
You understand, guys? Second times.
Chicken.
That's their own chicken. Mothers. Oh my god. I wish I wanted to buy a takeaway.
What happened here? I saw one way. I think I get your air for that. Oh, the best air for that. What is this? I don't know what this is, so guys.
You know, see, I think my own. I'm not even sure that. It's like your face.
Oh, yes. How do you pronounce this? My country, they say oil. You not even describe what they are doing.
So what I have here is this is the chicken. Guys,
roasted bell pepper. Burnt cucumber, guys.
Let me try the burnt cucumber.
Burnt cucumber. Guys, you need to do this.
So this one is going
Guys, when I went to Tanzania, I had chips for a whole week. Like, I was literally eating chips. And first, because that's the only fishing dish they have that is affordable.
problems.
The rest of the food, I don't know the origin.
I feel like I'm going to listen to the next time.
My worry. If you see Susu's chicks grow times 5.
Just know that it's my chips. Chips.
All these ones that are doing popular style, you don't see that nonsense. If my food the way it comes.
Let me teach my subscribers how to run. If I cannot see me. You know? So you hold your fork, the knife here. Some people hold it like this. No, that's one. Knife in this hand, fork in this hand. And you don't hold it like this. Okay? Stylishly. Like this. Okay? Very simple. Guys, they have a wonderful bar here. Guys, I feel like I'm in Lagos right now. Guys, you won't believe what the time is. This is literally 12 midnight. Few minutes to 12 midnight. And we just opened the window and we saw cars. Like, you would think it's like 9 p.m. or something, but this is literally 12 midnight. Cars. The road is still so busy. This is a glorified Lagos. Guys, this is me saying good night to you all. It's been a very stressful day, but we'll continue tomorrow. I intended to do like way more than I did today, but life happens, doesn't it? I'm exhausted. I haven't slept for up to 4 hours in the last 3 days. So yeah, your girl is exhausted, and then all the stress I went through today. So we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Good night.
Get out.